Hello everyone. If Windows keeps interrupting you with the "Let's finish setting up your PC" screen after an update, or you keep seeing tips and suggestions while using your desktop, you can turn off both of these interruptions with a couple of simple settings. First, click Start. Open Settings and go to System. Now select Notifications. Scroll down and open Additional Settings. Here, you'll see a few options that control Windows setup reminders and suggestions. First, uncheck Suggest ways to get the most out of Windows and finish setting up this device. This stops Windows from showing the "Let's finish setting up your PC" screen and other setup suggestions after updates or when you sign in. It means fewer interruptions and a cleaner desktop experience. Next, uncheck Get tips and suggestions when using Windows. This stops Windows from displaying those extra tips, recommendations, and suggestions while you're working. With both options turned off, Windows should stay much quieter after updates and during normal use, without constantly interrupting you with setup screens and suggestions. And that's it. If you found this tip useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tips and tricks.